Hi friends, now we are showing a beautiful mathematics lab kit again to you. This is for standard 2 students and Infora bringing a wonderful product again to you in our portfolio. So this mathematics kit shows a beautiful line of study materials which without support of parents or without support of any teachers or any support, a student can very slowly and normally can build his mathematical ability, skills and capabilities properly in his life. So the materials are beautifully made in all printing materials, boxes and everything. So let us see by product. You can see this is the letter from ISRT, and we have the video tutorials of mathematics. And this is a junior maths lab. This yellow box, you can see the CD, you can play very well, and we have the same video tutorials for standard 2. You can see it properly and it can be run, and the kids can easily available. And in the maths project book is there, and this will show the projects as well as demonstration notes for this is especially built for standard 2. All the contents are inside. It is very clearly and simply mentioned all the datas from beginning to the end. And now we have the catalog. This is the Alpha2Omega catalog for mathematics kit and the mathematics board, workboard. Now we can show the some charts which Alpha2Omega is giving. These are the basic mathematicians like Aryabhata as well as Archimedes. Now another some charts which is beautifully designed for the kids to data drawing as well as data handling sheet, calendar puzzle, beauty of 1 and complement with respect to 10 and 9. Now the shapes we have, and the shapes beautifully arranged shapes, and we have a special demonstration kit note page. We can see this kit, they can prepare like this, how they can prepare and mix. And we have decoding ring and shapes and colors. These shapes and colors, after the record this decoding colors, we can understand the coloring, skip counting scale as well as patterns. And we have different patterns, addition tables and subtraction and the rabbit routing. Now we can go to the box, material kit box. We have some certain amount of kits here, and which are grooved stick, grouping and matching block. We can see the block circles, skip counting, subtraction by removal, addition table, multiplication of 9, place value strip, complement with respect to 9 and with respect to 10, shapes and colors, cube blocks, some different kit. You can see the beautiful colored things as well as the currency and dotted rectangle. Thank you, my dear friends. Oh friends, this is the full unboxing video. So now you go to the below description to find the details.